Look like your mom. Look, huh? She's getting burned. I'm going to do this. It's the same thing, actually. But it's too off.
Is that your sister?
Sorry. Wait, what the hell was that? Oh.
Good morning, y'all. Just finished having breakfast in our campsite. Just want to show y'all the view in the campsite. Let's start off with a view. So this is my view here. Beautiful. Right here in Pennsylvania. Let me get a little closer. FYI, there are other campsite towards the left there, and some other parts. But what I like about this campsite is, you're not on top of each other. Like each campers have ample space, and on top of that, this particular campsite is you could have up to 10 campers. But look at this view up in the mountains. Beautiful. Last night it was quiet, as far as no, you won't hear any music. You won't hear people, but you'll hear, like, I don't even know, like insects. I can't even explain it, but it's weird. It's a weird noise, but nevertheless, I fell asleep. But the thing that I have to tell y'all, right? If you go camping, you must bring pillows. Okay, I didn't bring pillows, man, and it was one of the most uncomfortable sleep. All right, so you must bring pillows. Okay, and this is the campsite. We have two tents. Okay, you have your picnic table, which is awesome, and got a little toss-up game here. Beanbag toss. Excellent, excellent to kill time, have fun. Okay, and your nice grill, very useful. Nice grill, and your own firewood already chopped up, pre-chopped, and 3 garbage pails. They actually practice recycling. You have the cans over here, you have the glass and regular trash. And this is the fireplace or fire ground, whatever you call this. You can see the pot right there. We just finished cooking our eggs, bacon, and mushrooms. And then you have your parking spot. We got this campsite through Hip Camp. I'll leave a link under the description of this video, how you could obtain this campsite. It's excellent, excellent. Clean, that's one thing, clean. Um, yeah, let me show you all the portable potty. Okay, we're going to head towards the portable potty. Now, I did have to use the bathroom in the middle of the night. It's not bad. I mean, all you need is a flashlight or some headlamp. Headlamp is very useful, so I suggest you buy a headlamp. It's very, very useful. So here you go. That's the porta potty. Okay. And that's the campsite right there. It's about a minute walk. Let's walk back to the campsite. One thing about camping, I haven't camped since high school days, and I suggest everyone to experience it. I'm a city kid, and it's something that everyone should experience. That's my thing on that. So, FYI, a little bit of camping advice. Sleeping, I suggest you guys bring um, like a decent, nice comforter or even a decent sleeping bag. I was cold last night, freezing cold. We only bought like a fleece blanket. That was my mistake. Also, bring some thongs where you could, we forgot thongs to grab food, or even like we had a spatula, but thongs would be more convenient. And also, I have my camping axe, but I think you need also some form of a wood splitter, like a machete, some sort, or even like a big durable knife. All right, because those woods are hard to chop. All right, they're hard to chop, so you need some, you know, a wood splitter. So that's my a little bit of advice. I'm not a professional. So let me show y'all the inside of the tent. So we have the air mattress here.
Wala?
Okay, but this is literally what we had, and this is not a smart idea. This is a Ralph Lauren fleece, but look how thin this is. This is not a good idea. Bring a nice thick comforter. This is decent size. And also I bought a tent footprint to protect your tent. See that? This is the tent footprint. And I also bought some tent spikes. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out though, because I was banging on them with a camper's axe. And I don't know how I'm gonna, this stake here that came with the tent. This tent spike here, it came with the package, but this flimsy thing, I don't suggest using it in this type of surface. You need a heavy duty like this. You see how deep that goes in? So yeah, see, goes deep, and you gotta do it in an angle. Okay, see, gotta do it in the angle. And there you go. That was the campsite, campground. You saw the little porta potty over there. I showed you a bit of my camping items, and hope you like it. So if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. So once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.